Here I have HUAWEI P30 Pro, and let me show you how to set up alarm on the following device. So at first you have to find and open the clock. So it's here, the clock item, and then you can either pick some of the default settings. So you can either activate 7:30 AM ring between Monday to Friday, as you can see it's good morning one, or the second one, which is for weekends, Sunday and Saturday, it's noted here, which will ring at 9 AM. But of course you can add the personalized one, so just tap on plus, and here you can select the hour on which your alarm should ring. So let me set it for 8:30 PM, and then you can select repeat, so it can either be just one time ring, as you can see, or you can select some rules, so for example Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and leave it just for this 4 days. Tap on OK. Then you can select the sound, so just tap on sound, allow, and now you can select the one that you like the most. So let me leave, for example, morning light, and then let's go back. You can of course select whichever you prefer. You can select if you want vibrated or not. Let me disable vibration, and then you can change the label. So just click on it, simply delete the current one and enter a new one. So let me enter wakey wakey. And tap on OK. And also you can select the ring duration, so just click here. You can pick 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, up to 30 minutes. I will pick actually 1 minute. And then you can also select snooze duration. So for example, let me pick 15 minutes and number of snoozes before audio silence, so maybe 5 of them. And then tap on OK, and then confirm it by tapping on this confirmation icon. And as you can see now it's here, so your alarm, which is set up for 8:30, will ring on every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. And we set it 5 snooze, I guess, yeah, it was for 15 minutes. So you can simply set it on whichever hour you prefer and on the days that you need it to ring. You can obviously switch off each alarm just by tapping on the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.